Today, I'm gonna show you something insane. First, take a look at this. By the end of this video, we are going to make this entire 3D model with the help of Blender MCP and by giving just simple prompts to the anti-gravity. Hi there, Sumit here and welcome back to SpineOWL. So this video is going to divide it in three parts. First, we will cover how to configure MCP in Blender. Then second, we will configure MCP in Antigravity and will create some 3D model with just giving some simple prompts. And finally, we will export these 3D model and import it in the game engine which is called Unity only. So we will begin with downloading the Blender, right? So we'll just simply open the browser and we'll type here download Blender. I just simply hit on the enter button, right? In the first URL you see download Blender, click on it, and based on your platform, whether you are using Windows or Mac, I am using Windows, so I just simply click on download Blender, and you can see here that this will take a while and it has started downloading. Because I already downloaded the Blender, so I'm just going to skip this. Now the second step which we are going to do is downloading MCP files, right? So we'll download add-on file from Blender MCP. So just simply typing Blender MCP and hitting enter. In the first GitHub URL, I just simply click on it, and if you go in documentation, you'll see there is a plenty of information how you can set up for Cloud Desktop, cursor integration as well, Visual Studio Code integration as well, but didn't mention for integrating anti-gravity. So we'll do it by manually. We just simply select this add-on file. We'll click over here, and I'm going to just simply download this file. This file is downloaded, right? Now what we are going to do, we'll just install this file in the Blender. So just open the Blender. Now I'm going to do, we will go in edit, preferences, and you can see this option add-on file, right? So here you select this add-on option and just click on this drop down, install from disk, then click on it, and we'll just go to the file which we recently downloaded. So I'll go to download and select this one and install from the disk, right? Because I previously downloaded this Blender MCP, so I'll just uninstall the previous one, and the latest one I will keep it remain. Now to check this Blender MCP, to check MCP is successfully configured in Blender, we'll just simply restart the Blender. So just quit the Blender again and again reopen it. Now if I press N, you can see there is an option called Blender MCP, right? So it has predefined port, some checkbox for different purpose, and if I click on connect to MCP server, it will connect to the server with that particular port, right? So you can see running on port this one 9876. Now at this point of time, we have successfully configured MCP in Blender. Now let's jump right into the anti-gravity side. We will configure MCP in anti-gravity as well. So to download anti-gravity, you just simply type on browser antigravity.google. You can see that this one has opened, right? Just simply click on the selector. You can see this is the anti-gravity website, right? Download for Mac. Just simply click on it, and whatever, like I'm using Silicon, so download for Apple Silicon Mac. If you are using Windows, you can select Windows platform. So you can see that my anti-gravity is getting downloaded like I did Blender. I already downloaded this one as well, so I'm just going to skip this part. Now once you successfully download the anti-gravity, we'll just simply open it. So I'm typing anti-gravity and opening it, and to configure this one, you just go in this three dots, just click over here and select MCP server. Then there is an option called manage MCP server. Click over here, and here you can see that there is a button called configure. Click over here and just simply paste this one. So you have to pass the port. This is the same port which we are seeing in Blender actually. And so this JSON just simply paste over here, and once you just paste it, just click on refresh button. Now all the things which was required to configure MCP in Antigravity side we already done. Now let's jump right into the prompt side. We'll give some prompts to generate our 3D model. Now I want to generate this kind of reference. It's also generated by Gemini. So I'm just simply drag and drop this and typing prefer this image and write a proper prompt for creating 3D model exact same in Blender using MCP and hit the enter, and it's creating a prompt for us. So we wait a second and it has created successfully. Now what I'll do, I just simply copy this entire prompt, paste it in the Antigravity. I'll say simply remove the existing one, and now I'm also attaching the same media file so that it will have an idea what it has to be generated, and paste him over here. Now refer this image and paste it, and now everything is good to go. Just hitting on planning mode is there, Gemini 3.1 is also there, just hitting enter. Now things are taking time. Also you can see in the Blender that it is creating all the things is happening in front of us. Now see, you can see that trees has created, plane has been created successfully, so it's doing quite good job. I like the outcome which it has generated, but I want to make some changes, minor changes. So I'm writing the roof is not properly as in the reference. It should be on top of the house, and also there are few, let me see what are the things are missing. So this lamp is missing, right? So let me say like some props should be there. So I'm just going here down, and there are few, actually there is street lamp in front of house. Refer the image and give light pink environment like you see in the reference image, right? and hit on the enter button, and let's see whether it makes some changes which we told it. So it's doing something for us, and some pinkiness, you can see that material has changed, like a light pink has given this shadow, but still that roof is not in the same place, like it's in the same place like previous it was. So yeah, but we can some tweak this change in Unity only. So I'm not very much satisfied with the result, but you cannot expect too much from AI at this point of time because it's initial stage. Now finally the last and third step has come to export this 3D model from Blender to import it in the Unity Imager. So to export this model, I'll just go to the file. So in the top left side, file, and export, and I'll select the FBX format. So yeah, I'll select the FBX01, and the location is my desktop, and just simply click on export. So that's how we export the model. We'll just import this model in Unity only. So to open this model in Unity, I opened my Unity and just selecting that game object, and you can see that there are some things which is very like shiny. So first of all, I'll just select the roof and I'll reposition it as I want. So I'll just simply rotate this a bit. Let's take the values -90. So we'll just should be -90. So I'll go here and let's simply write -90, right? And this is looking pretty good. Also there are some already lights and camera which has come from Blender, so I don't want that. So I'll just simply delete all these because I want only all the lighting and external assets from from Unity only. So I'm going to select that. I'll deleting one by one everything. I'll delete the plane as well. Now I'll reposition my house towards my camera. So yeah, I'm liking this place, and yeah, I think this is good to go. So yeah, I mean the model is created and we have successfully imported in Unity as well. Nothing very fancy, but the outcome, I am quite satisfied with the result. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. You might have learned something new. So if you like this video, please hit on like button, subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, signing off.